The Celtics taking on the Cavs. No Kyrie Irving tonight. He's out and they're saying it's because of load management. But that's okay because Marcus Smart and Jason Tatum, they both scored 21 points. And they're looking to clinch a playoff berth tonight with a win. Here's Tatum in transition. He gets the layup to drop. Cavs. They're actually competing and fighting in this game. Look at that fake from Gordon Hayward. He's got two defenders jumping. Still in the second. Terry Rozier throws down the slam. You don't see him do that often, but when he does, you know you messed up. Tatum gonna fire from behind the line. And the Cavs refuse to go away. They're hanging in there. The skip pass. This is good news for Celtics fans as Hayward slams it down in a half-court set. He's looking like he's getting more and more comfortable. Here's Rozier lurking the passing lane for the steal and the layup. Now the Celtics are starting to build that lead up. Here goes the lob to Al Horford. The Celtics have been running that play all game long, and then Rozier gonna step it back. He's got a foot on the line though. So he made that shot tougher than it needed to be. Horford gonna make it splash. Trying to deliver the dagger in the fourth quarter, but the Cavs are still fighting, hanging in there. Here goes the same play. Another lob. So Horford. They're having a lot of success. Now Marcus Smart is going to get to the basket. Tough and one layup. And it's the Celtics clinching a playoff berth in the Eastern Conference. Another slam for Hayward. This is a bad possession. I got to get glitchy. I got to hit him with the cheese. I hit him with the... It went in. We're going to do it again. We're going to step back for three again. These crossover moves, this is hilarious. Look at this. Look at this. It's like I'm at the park, baby. I'm stepping it back, Green.